channel. Today we are going to unbox Philips air fryer. The model is hd9200, and let's go straight to the unboxing. I'm using my plastic sharp knife because sometimes when you have children around, always use this one. It may not come well. This is one of the premium 28 liters, 0.8 liters, sorry. It's an air fryer. There is no oil, but to some extent also you can use oil just to spread. It comes with a catalog. Very important, guys. Power is coming with this safety. Let's remove it from the box. Remember to, because it comes with 2 years warranty, you don't need to throw the box. You can keep the box safely. In case anything happens, then you can always return to the supplier. Unbox it. There it
wow.
is. All the accessories. Actually, it's not having more accessories down in a catalog. Remember to remove this plastic. And guys, also some secret is here. There is always a fuse here. So whenever this item is not working properly, before you take it to service, the first thing you can open here with a flat screwdriver, a tester, then you can check the fuse. There's many ways. I'll show you in the next video how to diagnose this one in case it's not working when the power is not coming on. So there is this one here, remove this one. There it is. Here you have to push this one like this, and out it's come. This is washable. This part is washable. In this part you can only wipe it because this is where now there's a coil inside here. This one you can only wipe with a cloth, but you cannot wash this side. This one is washable, and you can open. This is up to 0.8 liters, up to 1 liter. You can put worth of any fried item, and easy. You can wash this one. This one also is washable. You can wash this one as well, just like that, and you put it back. So that's it. Very easy, user friendly. There is a timer up to 60. This actually is a manual. You have to put it manual, and also you have to know your measurements. For instance, if it's a chicken, 180 degrees up to 250 degrees, depending on how many minutes you put. You can calculate that one. And if it is, for instance, meat, 200 degrees centigrade, you can put up to 60 minutes. If a chicken, you can put up 18 minutes to 24 minutes like this, depending on how fish, 22 minutes or 10 minutes, depending on how you want to cook your items. Remember, this one is air fryer. You don't use any oil, nothing. So some people, they like with oil. You can just spread the oil on the chips or on the fish or in potato, whatever you want to air fry, just to have the taste of the oil, and then put it in. This is 100% made not for use for oil. So I'll just put it in power so that you can see if the lighting will come there. Always be safe. When you put in the plug, the switch must be off, then put it and switch it on. So the red light is on. So this one shows the timer. So automatically when you finish air frying, this one will go automatically off. For instance, if I put manually, when it comes to 0, automatically it will switch on, off. So you don't have to worry. If you put your timing properly, it will air fry and automatically it will switch off by itself. Then your fish or your food will be ready. Another thing, safety thing, when you open the door, automatically also it will switch off. This is because of the safety. So it's 100% safety. You put it back, it can come on. So in case a child wants to open, it will automatically switch off. So it's user friendly and also with safety guards, you can see. So that's it for this video. Thank you guys for watching, and do remember to subscribe on our channel. In our channel, we usually educate people on how to use these gadgets, and see you in the next channel. Thank you.